Hi, I'm Josie, and I ordered 100 pet gadgets for my sisters. But they have no idea. Let's see how they react. Whoa! Josie! Did you order all that? Josie, it's yours? Not anymore! Okay, let's check it out. $20? What could it be? Is it a jellyfish? Chloe! Are you crazy? It's a massager for our dogs. Let's test it.
Don't poke me with it.
What are you doing?
Whoa, I like it.
I think I can use it as a toy. Bestie, let's play. Yeah, good girl. There you go. Awesome. It's a massager and a toy. 10 out of 10. Would you guys buy this pet gadget? Can't wait to check it out. Whoa, whoa, wow. Hairbrush. Woo. Toothbrush. Chloe, you'll finally get rid of your stink. Not funny. Let's test it. Scooch. Hey. Buddy, let's start with you. Wow. Interesting how it works.
About time.
Gorgeous. Let's keep going. So, what's the verdict? This works.
Wow.
You are very patient.
Thanks. I feel better.
10 out of 10. Gotta brush your teeth and go to sleep? It's still not funny. Okay, whatever. Wow. Ew, your breath stinks. Let's see how good this thing is.
I'm ready. Whoa, it's meat flavored.
Mmm, smells fresh. 10 out of 10. Hygiene matters. Make sure you brush your pet's teeth. Okay, can you finally let me test something? Whoa! Toys! Hurry up! A tunnel? You all have one at home. Let's go. Let's test some outside. Let's run, guys. Come on. Well, we'll be testing all these awesome toys with you guys. Go run. Have fun. Come on. Come on. Okay, it's not working. I give it 0 out of 10. Hold on, hold on. You're doing it wrong. Hey, guys. Hey. Go, you guys. In the tunnel. Let's go in the tunnel. Now come out. I always have treats with me. Let me try. Uh-oh. That didn't work. Sharon, help! I give it 7, since it's not good for humans. What kind of treats do you give your pets? Tell us in the comments. So, we're moving on. Chloe, let's play. Fine, serve. There, now you catch. There. Catch. Nice! Guys, who will win? Cora or Navi? Comment down below! I give this an 11 for sure. Okay, let's keep looking. It's just ball. Too boring.
Huh? My ball!
I'll take it. Give it to me. Come on. Come on, Navi. Show him, Cora.
It's mine. I want it back.
Amazing. They love it. Awesome toy. A solid 10. Hey, look what I found. Aren't cats supposed to chase mice? You won't know if you don't try.
What are you doing?
Whoa. Why is there a mouse?
It doesn't work on grass. Let's test at home.
Hey, it's you again! Come on! You won't escape! I'll get you! Take that!
Not bad. I'll rate it 9 because it's so loud. I can't wait to see what's in another box. I can't wait to see what's still in the box. Wow. Would this be good with our dogs? I think it would be better for our rat. Our what? There was a rat all along. Forgot to tell you. I got one while you were out. Congrats, buddy. You get new toys.
Yay!
Bye, buddy!
Bada bing, bada boom. Wanna hold him? Get him away. Come on, he's cute.
Feels cozy.
I think he likes it. 10 out of 10. Guys, we don't have a name for our rat. So comment down below your ideas. Let's see what's in the next box. Wow, guys. We will test these gadgets for our pets. Let's see how it goes. Great, but I think we're gonna need this. So, which dog are we gonna bathe? So, rock, paper, scissors can settle this. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah, I won. Okay. Let's get started, baby. Wow. Shampoo for dogs and brush for dogs. I say we try this first. Yes? Let's pour some shampoo. Why is it taking so long? This is perfect. Adding some water. Starting to soap. Why isn't it lathering? How does it work? Should I shake it? Yay! It works! So much foam. Way better. Do you like it? Good girl. Guys, it really works.
Thanks God it's not me.
I need your help. I got you. I need a towel. The worst is over.
Is it all? Am I clean at last?
You did it. Yeah, the brush gets the highest score. Also, we have ear wipes. Oh, let's test it. It's so handy. You should have your ears cleaned much oftener. And the other one. Here we go. Dirty. Works so well.
Thanks!
This works. 10 out of 10. Yeah. What's that? Paw moisturizer. Paw, 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 paw. What a nice texture.
Feels nice.
Relax, bestie. Another paw. It's mint. Mint, mint.
It smells good.
Her hind legs are drier. Let's moisturize them better. Don't forget to moisturize your pet's paws. And next touch, pet nail grinder. Let's try.
I didn't sign up for this.
Hey, where are you going? She's not a fan, I guess. We do have one last gadget. What do we do?
Bad luck.
Sorry, your turn, baby. No worries, you'll get a kick out of it. It is Pet Wash Feet. Green. Water. Give me your paw.
Hold on, bro.
Don't forget the other one. This is it. Do you guys give your pets spa treatments? Great, we're almost done. Let's go. Wow, there was some stuff for a pet corner. My corner for Navi will be much better. We'll see about that. That doesn't mean anything. Carry on. Navi's bed is the best. Ours will be better. Come on, Cora. Get in.
It smells so nice.
My dog always has fresh water. How do you top that? We have a licking mat. Let's see if she likes it.
It's awesome.
We got an interactive food board. Putting food into the holes and shift the covers. Your dog should find the food.
It smells gorgeous. How should I... Ah, I got it. Here we go.
Yay! Nice job! We've got an interactive egg. Oops.
What's this? How does it work? Come on, egg. Give me my food. I'll try to gnaw off the cover.
You don't have this, though. A cooling mat! Huh? How come? It's not cooling at all. Press it. Whoa! It really works! Whose spot do you guys like more? Comment down below! What's that? Yoga mat? Looks more like a bunny mat. So what's it for? Let's take a look. I think I figured it out. It keeps him away from dirt.
Feels better. Thanks. Hey, get out. I want to play.
Can't forget about water. I think we can put hay in here.
It's warm and cozy in here. What a cool toy. It's tasty.
Now I feel good about him. Did you guys like our bunny gadgets? Hit the like button and comment down below if you have any pets. What's this smell? Ew! We were so hung up on the reviews, we forgot to walk them. Hold on, the box might have something for this. I think this can cut it. Clean up now! I can't stand it! I give it 10 out of 10 because it saved us from the smell. I hope you guys regularly clean up after your pets. Hey, look! We're out of gadgets! Already? Guys, hit the thumbs up if you liked our unboxing. Comment down below if you'd like part 2. It's not over yet! And check out the video of us building a water park for Cora and Navi. Without any further ado, 3, 2, 1! We want to go to a water park. We really want to. I'm too busy.
No way. Water parks are super colorful.
We're not going to the water park. We sure are. What's this? I don't know. Let's check it out. Why do I have to go in first? Puppies! Where did they come from? There are babies! Did you turn them into dogs or what? We can go back! Trick is, you'll have to build a water park in return. It's all because of your magic! Is it? You refused to take them to the water park first! Stop it! Focus your energy on building the water park, and we will be helping! There's a lot on the agenda. Let me see. The luxurious sign is set up! I can use that! Hey! Now we have our own cloud! Awesome! It's actually mine! Do you want swings? Yeah! For everyone! I'm giving you a ride! Nah! I'm dizzy! I have a swing idea! Bad puppy! Hurry up! I'm trying! We'll make a tire swing. It kinda rings a bell. Where did you get them? I just found them on the street. Looks good. Whee! It's fun! Okay, now you can turn back to humans. No, the water park isn't finished yet. In that case, we can keep working. Whatever. Let's see who can blow up theirs faster. I don't have the right kind of lips to blow up a swim ring. There. You might as well accept that you lost. What's this?
Let's play.
I don't want to, but I know someone who's interested.
awesome! I have my own zombie!
Play with the puppy and...
Don't say a word!
Why?
This is why!
I'm totally fine! Done! Could we have something else instead of tunnels?
I want tunnels! Tunnels!
Fine. I might have some lying around.
I'll give you a paw!
I was looking for this.
Your cousin showed up!
There, we'll play a little, but no dangerous stuff though. I'm watching you. I'm done with this construction thing. I'm turning you back into kids.
No! You're setting yourself up for failure!
What is this thing? Adding in the last ingredients. No! Hurry! Hit the like button! We gotta save Wednesday's kitty! More likes, please! What do I do with a cat? Thanks!
Why is the world huge all of a sudden? I'm sleepy.
What have you done? Oops. Get it back to normal at least! Fine.
Now that's a normal size. I'm still sleepy.
Let's check out the tunnel.
Yay!
You want slides too?
Yes!
We should have just taken you to a water park right off the bat.
Yay!
I know how to make a slide. This is awful! Order supplies at the Barbie market.
Awesome!
Hi, Ken.
Hi, Barbie. Delivery! Sorry.
It's okay. Let's help them put the slide together.
Sure.
Are there instructions?
Nah, I've looked everywhere.
Have you seen my bag of black balls? Are you done with the slide yet? It's easy, especially when there's a manual. As for the balls, I repainted them. Sorry about the instructions. This is for you.
Wow.
You shouldn't have. Is it good? We're about to find out.
It wasn't me.
That'll be gone in no time.
I'm not cleaning that up.
Let's go again. I want to try too.
Fine. Let's go. Wait! It's dangerous!
So sick.
And just like that, I made a fountain!
It's so colorful. I don't like fountains.
Hey, they're asleep! I can turn them back into kids! Like last time? No! I need you to help! Fine!
Why are we painting the surfboard?
We'll decorate the lounge zone! All we gotta do is sign the surfboard! This one's mine!
I want to draw too. What's inside?
Let's see! Dogs don't belong in a tanning bed! Lie here and cool down!
Clean up her paws first.
The paws are super dirty! I can barely wash them!
Stop it. My fur's the same color.
Now you go!
Is anybody feeding me or what?
Are you hungry?
I am too.
The cabinet is heavy! I bet it weighs a literal ton! Thirsty. This is for you.
Finally.
So good. I want some too. Move.
Get a snack for me too.
Sure. Yummy.
The presentation's nice. Thanks for bringing it with you. It's no big deal. The more, the merrier.
Are you back from the water park? You played us! Hold on, you're here, so who's that?
Oh, these.
Vampires!
Fresh blood is the best!
Save me!
I'll help you out. Pikachu, I choose you.
Watch out, vampire!
Pika, Pika, Pikachu!
You are not getting away with it! Stupid closet! Ouch!
Your vampire majesty, beware! Because knowledge is a great power!
You are yet to regret it! How do I get back at you? Gosh, this is brilliant! I'm kidnapping your little friend! For God's sake!
Oh.
I need to go save the world! Stay right here! I'll be back in a second! Uh-huh! Gotcha!
What a dummy you are.
What about that?
Whoops, I didn't think that far out.
This is the last time I ordered a cape from AliExpress! Bunny, check out what I got you! Bunny? Bunny! Kiddos, have you seen Bunny? Comment down below where he is! This is where you'll be living from now on!
Whoops, I didn't mean that.
Easy! Stop!
Or did I?
Where are you headed? Phew! The last jar! It's Be Positive! My go-to! Add a little color! Almost done! Here, play with it! Don't touch anything! You know, there's nothing to touch anymore!
Not bad.
Having no friends is tough! Bunny! I found you! Where's Bunny? What a nice kid! Let's go spook out people and hunt for fresh blood!
You do not want to put your hands on me.
Don't want to do it the easy way? We'll do it the hard way!
Ow! I'm still so young.
Ew! Apparently we scared the life out of someone! Get in there! Ooh! We are gonna drink up your blood! Oh! Who's a cutie pie? I'm biting you! Girls, come over here! Ah! Cuteness overload! Nah, it's a nightmare and a half! You're a trouble! Where's your owner? Are they even looking for you?
I have no doubts Pika is saving me any moment now.
The smell of carrot must lure him! Bunny!
Carrot!
A bunny giant! Stop!
More!
Hit the thumbs up to fill my basket with carrots. Thanks!
More!
I've been having nightmares all night long. Haven't slept this well in a while. Lord, this is so positive! Left it for dessert! Buddy!
I nearly starved to death. Easy.
This scent is gonna kill me! Alright, I'll figure it out. But you gotta hide it first. This is for you. Food is good for all blood types.
You know, vampires are good at cooking.
With no blood, I won't be around for much longer.
This should save the day.
Off! That's sick! What blood type is it? So good!
Tomato juice.
I'm allergic to tomatoes! Have you seen my bunny by any chance? We have! We're giving it back! My bunny! What is that? Nah! The bunny isn't mine! I have a thought! We're having a bunny audition! Contestants, come in! What a joke of a bunny!
Another plan tanked. Wait till I get out of the store.
Next up! Look, so clumsy! Ouch! Forgot to tell you, it's a guard rat. Next!
More.
Oh, it's the bunny again! It kinda hurts. Well, my baby vampires, thanks to you, I'll be a hot topic all around the world. I'll create a full-blown vampire evil corporation.
Should we tell them we're not vampires?
Let him have some fun! We'll petrify the entire world! Stupid mirror!
The glam is terrible.
So, do I look good?
Stunning.
Looking good! Looking good!
You know, we turned out pretty cute, vampire, especially you.
That's right! Why didn't I figure out that she has a hand in it? That's it, vampire! You are so done! Bunny! Are you here? A spider! Dear me! The vampire is coming back! What do I do? Ah! No makeover! The chopsticks are a godsend! You know, I never took notice of this junk before. Gotta throw it away! Oh, vampire! Now I know for a fact I'm taking my bunny! It's as easy as ABC. You just find a Pokeball and bite it.
It's baloney. I'm not dealing with that.
My thing! I hate Pokemon! They're bad news! Hopefully, the Tooth Fairy won't forget about me.
You're hilarious.
Big, you won't be able to hunt. We are gonna need a bat and some skill. How do I put it together? Appreciate it. Bada bing, bada boom.
What should I need that for?
This is where you store your Pokeballs. But our main target is Pikachu. Ha 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 ha! I need a distraction for the vampire so I can steal the bunny. Who ordered a pizza? Actually, no one. But since it's paid, we'll have it. Is there garlic? I'm dying! Bunny!
Save me.
Where are you? Hey, baby! Didn't make it! Sorry, honey bun! Egg! Ew! It's a fish skeleton! I'm not eating a free pizza ever again! Lucky you! Overslept the whole thing! I'm sure it'll work out! Knock knock! May I come in? You already did! Is this tomato juice or what? I'm deceased! Bunny, we are finally reunited!
Pika, you don't forget me. A friend indeed.
Can't leave her high and dry!
Yeah, that'd be bad.
I know how to make her come around! It's wake-up time! No good! This should do! This is our last and best hope! This scent makes me drool! Yum yum! Yum yum! Hands down, best thing I've ever had! Vampire, I'm sorry I was rude to you! Are you touched? Nah, it's onions! Vampy! Love turns you into a human! Go away!